Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Home Learning Lessons with Mrs. Ojobo. I hope you are feeling fantastic this morning and ready for brilliant work. Today's objective is to find change from 10p and 20p by counting on. Our key vocabulary today are addition, complement, change, pence, bonds. Now let's go shopping. I have 20p and let's look at the shop on the right hand side of the screen. I've got lots of things in that shop and I'm going to choose one item to buy. Remember, the shopkeeper, I have to pay the shopkeeper with 20p, but the item I'm buying is not 20p. I'm buying a teddy. My teddy is just 13p. So if I buy a teddy for 13p, I hand 20p to the shopkeeper. I actually only need to pay 13p, so I am owed some money back, some change. So how much does the shopkeeper have to give back to me? How much change? I know it is 7p because look at the number bonds. If I use my number bonds, 13 plus 7 is 20. I can count on from 13 to 20. Let's look at the number line there to help us. I'm counting off from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to count on 7 times. So 13 plus 7 equals 20. So my change is going to be 7p because I've handed 20p. The shopkeeper is going to give me back 7p because my teddy costs only 13p. Okay? Now, take note that to find change from 20p, we must count up from the price to the amount paid. The amount paid is 20p. So you count on from that amount. Okay? Okay, Year 2, I'm going to buy something else from the shop. I'm going to buy a toy car. And I have 20p, right? So how much change will the shopkeeper give back to me if I give the shopkeeper 20p and my toy car is just 16p? How much will the shopkeeper give back to me? How much change will the shopkeeper give back to me? Because my toy car is only 16p and I've given 20p to the shopkeeper. So what I do is to count on from 16p to 20p. I know it's 4p because 16 plus 4 is 20. Look at your number bond. 16 plus 4 is 20. And if I count on from 16 to 20, it's 4. Look at the number line. You can use either strategy to help you. So 16, let's count to 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm counting 4 times. Okay? I'm hopping 4 times. So my change is 4p. And don't forget, when you're writing your answer, you must put p. Okay, with your number. Now I'm giving you 20p. You buy some cubes for 9p. What is your change? Find that out for me very quickly. Okay? Okay, let's see. You've got 20p and you bought your cube for 9p. So what's your change? Your change is 11p because let's first of all look at the number bond. 9 plus 11 is 20. So your change is going to be 11p. Or you can use your number line counting on. From 9, you count on to 10, that's 1. And then from 10 to 20, you count another 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11. So your answer or your change is 11p. I hope you remember to write p in your answer. Okay, for your first task, you have 20p. I want you to go shopping 5 times. Look at the shop, pick one item at a time. You go shopping one at a time. You pick one item and find how much change from 20p. Do it in your home learning book. I've given you an example of how you can set out your work. Okay? Do that 5 times. That's your first task. Okay, let's have some challenge now. We're going to go shopping with 50p. This time, no longer 20p, 50p. Okay? So we're going to go to the shop to buy a teddy. How much is my teddy? 13p. How much am I giving the shopkeeper? 50p. Okay, the shopkeeper is going to give me back some change because 50p is too much. The teddy is only 13p. So I'm going to set out my work like this. Teddy costs 13p. Change is 50p minus 13p. Now we know how to count on. So 13p to the next multiple of 10, which is 20. 13p plus something is 20. Look at the number line. 13p, we're going to hop to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hops. So 13p plus 7p equals 20p. Now, remember I gave 50p. So I've got to hop from 20 to 50. I'm not going to hop in once because that would take ages. So I can hop in tens. Look at my 100 square. We know how to count in tens. So from 20 to 50. Now I'm on 20. Let's hop 10, 20, 30. I've hopped 3 tens there. So 20 plus 30 equals 50. So your change is going to be 7p plus 30p equals 37p. Okay? Year 2, your challenge is to go shopping with 50p 4 times. What will you buy and what will your change be? Okay, follow the example we just did. For example, if you buy a teddy, teddy costs 13p. Change is 50p minus 13p. 13p plus 7p equals 20p. 20p plus 30p equals 50p. Your change is 7p plus 30p equals 37p. That's the way I want you to set out your work. So you can go shopping 4 times. You may choose to buy a toy car. You may choose to buy cubes. It depends on what you fancy in the shop. So go shopping 4 times. Set out your work like that. I've got the 100 square on the screen to help you. I've got the number line and I've got the number bonds there for those of you who might need that help. Okay? Enjoy it.